Where would I need this in life? I often got this question during my time as a school teacher, and if I'm going to be honest, it really annoyed me. But thinking about it, why should it? I felt like the answer was so blatantly obvious, but every why, or in this case, where, I'll first of all start off by defining what education actually means, and not the Oxford version, but my own. To be educated is to be informed, equipped, free from the false promises of ignorant bliss. Knowledge makes people powerful, just like how your work ethic could change from a TikTok video.
Wow.
Do you know how many people's lives have changed forever from a 7-second video? Or how many of us changed our ways of thinking and living due to a single conversation? Or even how many discoveries were made due to inspiration that was birthed from a thirst for insight? School is not the building, it's what we are subjected to every single minute of the day. How much we choose to grab ensures how much we stand to gain in the future. You see, everything is about perspective. A simple physics lesson could be the difference between you winning a high-end sports car on a television game show and riding the bus back home after losing. So, where do we need this in life, you say? Well, let's have a look at the device you're looking at now. Yeah, gone. All the bed you're laying on. Gone. All the central heating you're enjoying right now. If it's on. Yeah, that's gone too. Oh yeah, even the roof over your head. Yeah. And I'm so sorry, your Uber Eats order has just been cancelled. I mean, it never would have existed without the innovators behind it. And that includes the food too. So, education contributes to the evolution of the world that we live in today. Every luxury that we enjoy was due to somebody's dedication to make use of what they know, what they've learned, and what they want. And that even includes this video. So what was your question again?